I'm in the living room right now. The lights are coming through the windows, and I'm just panning around here just to give you guys an idea side by side how they perform and so forth. So we're against the sunlight here in the window. Let me come closer here, guys. So this is gonna be quite difficult to do because I am using like a heavy duty what is that called, extension here to hold these devices so that they are steady. So let's try to walk here. I'll show you guys in the mirror here. Let me go to the mirror so you guys can see what the setup looks like. So again, the audio, I will be alternating it back and forth throughout the video test. So just listen to what the audio sounds like. So this is what it looks like, guys. My setup right here. So there's the mirror. I've got my extension post right here. And sometimes it gets quite wobbly. So there it is. That's my setup. So we are shooting in 4K, 30 frames per second. We're in low light, in somewhat low light condition. We're still in the living room here, guys. Okay, let's just have some movement here. See what it looks like. I'll wobble, wiggle, move around. See if it will follow me. Guys, as you can see, or I can see based on the screen display here, I could still somewhat see myself, but which one looks clear or brighter, or which one is more noticeable? So S10 Plus, based on the looking just at the screen display, I'm quite dark here. I won't even see myself. I can't even see myself. Whereas the other two devices, the OnePlus, I still somewhat see myself, but very fuzzy. So let's open up the garage door. It's bright, very bright. All right, so there I am, nice and bright and sunny outdoor. It is windy, so it might be muffled up, all the audio here. We're right against the sunlight here. Right against the sunlight. Stabilization test on the front-facing camera. I'll walk as steady as I can at first. Now I'm going to pick up the pace. And then I will run. It's the sunlight right now. See how the camera handles that. Okay, check out some flowers here, guys. Okay, let's do a zoom test while we're at it. We're gonna press 1 time or 2 times, 2 times, and there it is, guys. So the 7 Pro does not have wide angle, same as the 6T. As you can see, there's the wide angle for the S10 Plus. Okay, times 2. And I'm going to attempt to run. Okay, I'm going to attempt to run again.